So good morning guys, it's officially our day 3 here in Bali. So I don't know what's in store for today. So siguro what we'll do today, probably yun, parang chill. I mean, there's nothing we can do right now. So I'm here for a more parang laid back na visit, laid back na bakasyon. What else? Yun lang naman. Just chill. Take some time. You know, recharge. Kasi that's the purpose naman of my vacation this time. But anyway, kat po muna. Para magising. So yun, hopefully you stick around for today's adventure. So here's our breakfast, some noodles, eggs, and dim sum, and some bread. Thank you, Pat. Salamat makan. Hi guys, we're here at Times Beach, Paru. Just chilling and waiting for sunset. So yun lang, just enjoying the waves and the view, waiting for sunset to happen. Happy birthday. 目にはぼんやりとした霧、街の明かりがぼやけてる、理解できる。Hello guys, so we're here at, where are we?
And Ganger Beach.
Ganger Beach? Ganger. Yeah, we're here at Ganger Beach. So it's my birthday today and officially our day 4. So we'll just gonna chill in the beach, swim, sunbathe, and you know, just enjoy the rest of the day.
Yeah. Okay. He is now in fact Captain Mike Bergen.
Hello guys, so we're heading out for dinner. It's already 4 p.m. Malayo kasi siya, so we're just gonna go to Jimbaran kasi we'll just have to pick the seafood and lulutuin sila for us. So yun, see you guys in Jimbaran for makan-makan.
Go now, bro. In Tapipante Seafood Restaurant.
So what they're gonna do with the fish?
They're gonna grill the figs, grill the
squid,
and scallop, and they're gonna do like a calamari.
So we're just gonna wait for them to finish cooking and grilling. So we're just gonna chill here first while waiting.
Okay. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Cheese and chocolate. I ordered
Hello guys, just got back here sa villa. So we had to eat dinner sa Jimbaran. So bumili lang kami sa market, parang palengke. Then pinaluto nearby lang, then sa market. So yun, so that's how I spent my birthday today. So pang ilang araw na ba? 31. So 4th day today, so we still have like 5 days left here in Bali. So, yun. See you guys tomorrow. Good night.